Tawagin natin ngayon ang ating pong singer na si Tuper. Okay, pwede kang tumayo. Bigyan mo si tatay ng rose at 14 roses tayo. Okay, tay. Ibigay mo sa anak mo yung yung rose. Isayaw mo dito. Sayaw kayo. Sayaw kayo tayo. Princess. When I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would left me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Next, nasa sayaw po. Tawagin natin si Larry. Pwede bigyan mong rose. O dito. Banat, kanta. Kanta agad. David.
I don't even know what to do. Dance. Oh, damn.
My mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from here to here. It made me laugh just to comfort me. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later tonight when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Huwag natin, Kalingap Gilbert.
Di mo kaya mahal sa tulad kong di mo dating iniibig. Inalis ko na sa puso at isipan ko ang pag-ibig mo. Di ko akalaing mahal mo rin ako. Ngayong nandito ka, puso ko'y sumigla. Makulay ang buhay ko dahil sa pag-ibig mo. Lahat ay nagbago na. Ngayong nandito ka, sinta.
Tawagin to si Kalingap Mads.
Kung wala akong inaasam, sapat na ang aking kaligayahan. Binuhay mo ang puso kong nalulumbay at nag-alay ng isang pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Ngayong nandito ka, puso ko'y sumigla. Makulay ang buhay ko dahil sa pag-ibig mo. Lahat ay nagbago na. Ngayong nandito ka, sinta.
Kalingap Mick, pasok!
Salamat.